Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 94. We're continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we leave Alamo Square and walk east down Hayes Street, finishing at Laguna Street, right on the edge of the neighborhood known as Hayes Valley. Hayes Street begins quietly near the park, but quickly shifts into one of San Francisco's most dynamic urban corridors. Once dominated by old Victorian homes and small storefronts, this area has evolved into a hub of cafes, galleries, and boutique shops. The transformation of Hayes Valley is one of the most striking examples of how San Francisco's neighborhoods have reinvented themselves over time. For decades, this stretch of the city sat in the shadows of the Central Freeway, an elevated structure built in the 1950s that loomed over the neighborhood. When the Loma Prieta earthquake struck in 1989, it severely damaged the freeway, leading to its eventual demolition. Instead of rebuilding, the city embraced a different idea: to reclaim the land beneath it and reconnect the streets that had been divided for nearly half a century. What followed was a remarkable renewal. By the late 1990s, Hayes Valley emerged as a model of urban revitalization, blending old architecture with new public spaces. Community groups, small business owners, and residents helped shape its identity, a neighborhood that prizes walkability, design, and local enterprise. Many of the buildings along this stretch date back to the early 1900s, their facades restored but their interiors repurposed for modern living and commerce. Walking east, the street's energy builds. Boutique shops, corner restaurants, and street art reflecting the neighborhood's creative spirit. On weekends, the sidewalk filled with people heading to brunch, browsing independent stores, or visiting pop-up markets that line the side streets. The rhythm here feels distinctly San Franciscan, a balance between the laid-back and the ambitious. At Laguna Street, we reach the point where Hayes Valley begins to meet the Civic Center district again. Just beyond here lies Precious Green, a public park created on the former freeway site, surrounded by outdoor arts installations and food stalls. This area represents the city's ongoing experiments with reclaiming space for people rather than cars, an idea that has since influenced other projects across San Francisco. That concludes today's episode. Our walk from Alamo Square down to Hayes Street to Laguna, through a neighborhood that perfectly captures San Francisco's cycle of reinvention, historic, resilience, and always changing with the times.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.